Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to add your own photo as widget on your iPhone iOS 17. As you can see, there is a photo showing as widget in your iPhone iOS 17. So how you can set your own photo as widget on iPhone. For this, what you have to do, first of all, you have to simply open photos here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply add any of the photo you want to add in your widget, and you have to simply copy that photo and add into a new album. As you can see, I have recently copied a photo into a new album named My Memory. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and here the next thing you have to do is you have to simply press and hold the app, and after that home screen you have to simply click on plus button, and here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of photo. So here you have to simply click on that, and after clicking on that you have to scroll to the right, and you can simply select for album. As I have already added that album, so I am clicking on that and I am adding to widget. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on that, and here you have to simply select the album, and here you can simply do that, and you can simply select any of the album you want to add your photo. As you can see, now that photo has been set as widget in the home screen. So you can simply select any of your photo or any photo, and you can set it as your widget on your home screen. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.